This is a monumental unboxing. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to do an unboxing and present to you Traxxas' latest offering, the TRX-6 Ultimate RC Hauler. This thing is huge. Now you might have seen the TRX-6 in its former guise, the AMG 6x6 G-Wagon. This one's new, it's got a bigger chassis and everything, and it's designed so you can actually put your 1/10 car on it, or I suppose even 1/8 car on top of the back and drive it around, or yeah, have yourself a little RC tow truck. So let's jump into it and have a look. Alright, so I got a big box, get a knife out. Sorry if it's not going to be on a lot of this on camera, this thing is absolutely ginormous. Where is it? Now, excuse me while I try and get this one open and out. Not the easiest thing to do on the production bench. Don't break the box. A box in a box. This one's nowhere near as pretty as the other box. And it's a bit of knife action. Here we go. Looks like we've got a bit of a transmitter in there. Now I have to pay attention to what I'm doing, because there's a good chance that I might have to get this one back in the box. Like so. Wow! Have a look what we've got here. I'm going to need to adjust this overhead camera. Let's have a look what we're looking at. So we've got plenty of goodies. First thing we've got here is spare parts, tools, instructions, stickers. What else have we got? Lots of goodies. That's the Ultimate RC Hauler. Valuable resource instructions. And then look at this beautiful big truck bed. Really classy done with the Traxxas logo. We've got adjustable wheel chocks here, so you can in fact put your car into the wheel chocks. Okay, how about we get the car out of its box? Cut this cable tie. Really well packed, Traxxas. Good job. Like so. We are free from the box. That is an epic unboxing. Whew, look at the size of this sucker. Now I'm busting to get all the plastic off. Get some body clips off here. Hopefully we can start getting at it. Beautiful wrapping. The paintwork on this truck is absolutely immaculate. Look how glossy and shiny that is. So much protective plastic work on it. Get the body shell off. We'll get this out of the way just for a second. We will revisit that. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a different battery retention system in this truck. I say we power it up. So we've got a factory fitted LED light unit. That is really cool. And we've got our lock-in differentials here, front and rear. Both the rears are controlled by one servo. And then we've got over here, we've got our 2-speed high and low range transmission. So at the moment we've got open front diff. You can see there how it's turning. And it's actually quite supple in the suspension. I think that is gonna look really scale when it's all loaded up. Let's have a look at the underside. Good, got LED units here, looking really cool. Again, we've got really nice chrome work on the tank and on the fittings. Excuse me while I rustle all that. Get this plastic off and out the way, like so. Look at that chrome work. It is phenomenal. Got beautiful chrome plated wheels. Got Traxxas tires, of course. Looking underneath, now we can see the 6-wheel drive transmission. Here's our front prop shaft. We've got a very familiar TRX-4/6 front end on it, giving us 45 degrees of steering angle here to make sure that we do have, although it's quite a big truck, we'll have a very good turning circle for its size. Then coming down further, you can see here we've got the rear prop shaft here that runs into a center bearing because it's so long, that drive shaft. Really, really good. And although it is a composite material, you can bet that it's going to be super reliable. And again, here we have from the center shaft into the front of the rear differentials and then into the rear. So it is definitely 6-wheel drive transmission. Super cool. Really good shocks. We've got alloy body shock absorbers all the way around. It's going to be 6 in total. That is really, really nice. Okay, let's take a closer look at the bodywork. So here we have the plastic wrap. Let me get this off here to reveal. I'm really excited to see the LEDs in their full glory. Here we have, look at the glosswork and paint on that. Now it doesn't have see-through windows, they are stickered on. Very familiar work with their Traxxas. Looks like quite a robust body on this one. Super, that is the blackest black. Okay, how about we fire it up? So I've got my, I've got my 9 steps batteries here. LiPo. Now this is just a 2S LiPo pack. It's going to be more than enough for this. Now these electronics in these TRX-6s will take 3S capabilities. However, in this instance, I think 2S is more than appropriate. You can go ahead and got a beautiful bit of battery foam there. Just slide on under and keeps it nice and secure. That battery fits really, really nicely. Can go ahead here, put our battery clips on. Now take a wide variety of packs, like I said, 2S or 3S, depends on how fast and crazy you want to go. I'll go ahead here and plug the battery in, like so. Typical Traxxas connector, really, really robust and proven itself time and time again. Now I've got to plug here. This one will be for the LED light unit. Let's have a look. You can see how nice that 9 steps battery is fitting in. So if we take a look over here, we can see the LED light unit junction box. So that's where I'll be able to plug the bodywork in. But first of all, let's see if we can get the transmitter in. And this will be the TQI transmitter. So it doesn't have it out of the box, but as an optional extra, you can get the Bluetooth add-on for your transmitter, and that will unlock a whole lot of potential. Got a really, really nice feel. Over here, we've got our high and low range. So 2-speed transmission. And at the top here, we've got our differential lock-in. Open, front, all of them locked. Very, very cool. Yep, very typical. I'm going to go ahead and put some batteries in here. I'm just using standard alkaline batteries. Go ahead, put the battery cover on, like so. Make sure we do indeed have lights. which we do, I'll go ahead and turn the speed controller on. And the truck is alive. I'm just going to pull out here in the camera a bit. You can see that massive amounts of steering lock that I was talking about. How quiet is that big transmission? Okay. I'm going to go ahead here and plug this bodywork on because I think this is going to be the masterpiece. Like so. Those LEDs are so bright. Put the rear on. More plastic protective wrapping. This is a monumental unboxing. I'm going to go ahead here and secure the body on just to ensure that it doesn't in fact fall off. Get this side on. Let me just reposition that again. Fits in nicely like that. That's better. Get this bodywork on. Now I'll be able to turn the truck around and show you guys these really cool, super bright LEDs. Here we go. We'll have a look at this on the front camera. Those headlights, you can see them shining into the camera, and we've got our marker lights here in the top. Really hard in the studio lights to see that. We've got marker lights on the rear here, and we've got marker lights all along the side. Tail lights at the back. There is plenty of LEDs on there. Now obviously I'm going to need more room than this table to try it out, but we'll be able to see exactly how smooth it does crawl. And look at that walking speed capabilities. So smooth. And in reverse, just as good. Obviously a little bit better going forward. Super cool. Got our diffs open. I'll go ahead and I'll lock one up. We can see there that we've got the front wheels are spinning. And if I do this, all wheels are locked up. Fantastic. Everything's working as it should. What a great rig. I can't wait to see this getting about with the car on tow. Alright guys, I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching me unbox this Traxxas TRX-6 Ultimate RC Hauler. Thanks for watching.